We begin with the letter A. A. A is for ant. The ant found an apple. Apple starts with A. Uh-oh, what is the ant going to do now? It's jumping on the tree. Stop or the apple will fall. Oh no, the apple is falling. Oh, somebody caught the apple. Who has the apple now? Hey, look, that's me. I have the apple now. Bye-bye, Mr. Ant. Next comes the letter B. B. B is for balloon. Oh, look. Somebody is knocking at the door. Who is it? It's a bear. Bear starts with B. There's somebody else. Who can it be? This time it's a butterfly. Butterfly also starts with B. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Whose birthday party is it? Happy, it's my birthday party. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Next comes the letter C. C. C is for car. Let's see who's waiting for the car. It's a cat. Cat starts with C. Who wants to ride in the back seat? Meow! It's the cat. Now let's see who's driving the car. That's me. I'm driving the car. How fun! Next comes the letter D. D. Let's draw some animals with names starting with D. What is this? This is a dinosaur. Let's draw another one starting with D. What about this? This is a duck. Quack, quack. How about this one? This is a dog. Woof, woof. Let's see who's been drawing all these pictures. That's me. I've been drawing all the pictures. Next comes the letter E. E. Let's play a guessing game. Does anyone know what this is? It looks like a wall to me, said one child. No, it is a rope, said another child. No, it has spears, said the third child. I think it's a snake, said the fourth child. No, I think it's a trunk, said the fifth child. No, I think it's a fan, said the sixth child. What do you think it is? When you put them together, it's an elephant. Elephant starts with E. The elephant is looking for something. What does he find? It's an egg. Egg starts with E. No, Mr. Elephant, don't eat the egg. Oh, good, Mr. Elephant. Now, who's riding the elephant? Hey, that's me! I'm riding the elephant. Riding the elephant is so much fun. Next letter is F. F. F is for fish. Fish live in the water. Oh, look, somebody is coming. Who is it? That's me. I'm swimming in the water. Hi, everybody. Who's following me? Oh, it's a frog. Frog starts with F. Bye-bye, Mr. Frog. Wow, underwater is so beautiful. The next letter is G. G. G is for gorilla. The gorilla is swinging in the jungle. Who is this tall animal? This is a giraffe. Giraffe starts with G. And who is under the giraffe? It's a goat. Goat starts with G. The gorilla is going back to his home, and he has a friend following him. Who is that? That's me! I'm swinging in the jungle. Swinging in the jungle is great!